Hello everybody, today I will be reviewing the Lasco 4930. This is a high velocity fan that my father-in-law, ordered for us using Amazon. It came within 2 days thanks to Amazon Prime, so shout out to my father-in-law. And here is the actual Lasco box that it came in. As you can see, it's a high velocity fan. It also comes with a remote control, and I didn't have much trouble bringing it upstairs. Amazon actually left it in front of our apartment. It is quite big though, the box. That's the actual Amazon box. I didn't have trouble bringing it up, but you may want to use two people. Anyhow, I have the fan off right now, and here it is. As you can see, that's the tower. You have the option to tilt up and down the actual air. You have a couple of settings here, one for continuous usage without it stopping, and as far as the levels are concerned, there's three being the highest, and it does get quite loud, but I've been able to replace my AC usage with this fan. So before I turn it on, I'll also show you that it's pretty easy to lift up too. Just lift it up here from the back, and that's the remote control, which you can hang on. It does take a battery. I would say it takes one battery. Yeah, it takes one. No, I'm sorry. It takes two AAA batteries. Okay. So I'll go ahead and put this back on. Just like that. Now let's try it out. As you can see, when I turn it on, there's a blue light. So if you're sleeping with this on, you may want to tuck it inside into a corner, or maybe even cover the blue light with some kind of cloth. It could be distracting, but it's perfect in the day. And I can have it pan by just clicking the middle button. So as you can see, it starts panning. It takes its time panning too, very slowly. Pretty cool. And you have continuous usage, 1, 2, and 4. And I set it at level 2. Here's level 3. It's pretty loud. And again, I've been able to replace my AC usage with this fan. So as I could do my work here in the living room, I have the fan blowing. It's perfect for this 90-degree sweltering weather here in New York City. Anyhow, let me know what you think in the comment section. Please subscribe and have a fantastic day.